Nah.
So we should sit opposite to each other?
You said a bad word on accident.
Oh shoot, oh sorry.
No, I'm kidding. You'll sit in the front, I'll sit in the back for now. Just get rid of that spider right in there.
Die.
Make sure it's dead. It's not dead. Kill the spider, Priyank. Did you kill it?
Yeah. Oh, this
What?
one spider is so big, man. Look at that. Look at that. Die, die, die.
Wait, maybe you like press it against it instead of like hitting it. Wait, let me give me the. Oh, don't use your hand. Ew. Oh, gross. Oh, ugh. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. It's dead.
Paddle left. You're gonna see like you're pushing the water away from you over here.
How much angle? So
It's turning you this way.
to catch with
just,
the equal
just right
length?
in the middle. You don't
Right.
want to be
Oh,
like
okay,
right here.
okay.
Just wider's better. Probably. It's like swimming. If you're swimming and you want to go more this way, then you paddle a little harder with this.
Okay.
Side.
The boat will turn this direction when you do
yes,
that.
exactly.
Kayaking lessons with Nathan Brooks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was a really bad lesson, but we'll redeem
that's
ourselves
the
once
best
we're in the water.
Like this, right?
Yeah. I would get it like a wider grip.
Whee! Hey, can we do like, can we work on our triceps with this?
All right, work on the my right trap.
That's good, baby.
What'd you say? What'd you say? English only.
Catch properly, okay? No, we'll paddle then.
All right, throw it, Priyank.
No, Priyank. Priyank.
Yeah, I think you can do it.
All right, 3, 2. There you go. Water.
Yes, nice. Oh yeah, that was really close to me. That's it's not too complicated. If you've ever sat in a chair before, it's kind of like that.
Watch out for my weight.
Yeah, I got your weight.
Maybe I should do some squats before I get in.
Some squats. Squats are a good thing. Just don't really lean too much like this. Don't lean like this, all right? Nice, there you go. That's right.
I love it.
Johnson, we're doing it. Just 4 guys doing it. You almost tipped yourself trying to splash us. So we're gonna go find some rocks to jump off of.
Hey, I can see something there.
Oh, it's an alligator. Dude, that's a freshwater, left, right.
Right. Sorry. I hope there's no squid underwater which can suddenly put their tentacles out and grab our boat.
All right, what's up, guys? I am out here with Priyank and Jason and Johnson. We're just learning how to kayak, and I have Priyank right now. Jason has Johnson somewhere off in the distance. A little bit about me: I like to cook. Some of my favorite things to cook are sandwiches. I can make some mean beef curry too, but I use chicken. Priyank's doing really well. You're pretty much doing everything. I'm just kind of laying here right now. You got
whether it's
I was like in the middle of an inhale. I rode to the unknowns. What is it? So basically, when I'm kind of low, when I get stung by a bee, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things and I don't feel so bad. I simply remember my favorite things and then I don't feel so
Lonely.